Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 15-inch sharp screen from 2 CCFL to our UB36 series LED kit. This UB36 including 2 LED strips, 1 LED driver, 1 6-ring pigtail. So let's take a look, set aside LED kit and take a look at the screen. The screen is made by Sharp and it is a 15-inch. The part number is LQ150X1LG55. LQ150X1LG55. It's a 15-inch, 2 lamps, one on top, one on bottom. First, we're going to remove this lamps. It's quite easy for this particular model. There's 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, holding the CCFL reflectors. So first we had to unscrew this smaller Phillips screw. It's actually much easier than replace CCFL lamp because there's no soldering involved. And okay, so 1, 2, 2 more. Next, we had to just remove these wires from the plastic clip, just like that, you know. And then you just simply grab the wire, pull it out, just like that. Okay, and this is the same thing too. Okay, this one's a little bit tight. Okay, make sure it's clean. Okay, now this is the one. All right. So basically, we can mount our UB series inside of the reflector because, as you can see, you know, it's wide enough to mount at the bottoms on the inside. And then next thing is you loosen up this wire, you know, this wire, and then you just pull the lamp out just like that. Do the same thing on this one. Okay, just slowly. All right, it's out. So let's try out here. Yeah, we're gonna align with this side. Show you. Next thing, you're gonna remove this double side tip, the cover. So just one section at a time. Okay, same thing on this one. Okay. All right. So same thing, do the same thing on this one, and then use pull it down. Just one section at a time. Okay, it's done. Show you. See this? All right. Now we are just ready to put it back. Okay, so just this one's on this side. Slightly slice right back to the same locations. Okay, same locations. Put the wire back. Wire just do it like same as the old CCFL wire before. Just push it down and comes out this side. Same thing. See this? Okay. Same thing on this side. One wire at a time. It's done. less than 15 minutes. Alright, this end you can connect to either side. And when you push this kit, the dip switch already been set, so don't worry about it. And the 6-pin pigtail wire is color coded. Red is for the positive input, black is for the power ground, white is for the ADJ, which is brightness adjustment, usually no connection. The yellow is really important, and you need to apply anywhere between 3 to 5 volts to turn this LED driver on and off. If you do not have a 5 volt or 3 or 5 volts on your inverter wire harness, then you need to add the solder on this JP2 solder pad.